Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Set Delight. Welcome to another video for current affairs of 3rd November 2020. So we are going to discuss some questions for 3rd November and the PDF of this video is in description. If you like this video then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button and share this video. So let's start this video. So let's move on with the first question. Which state was adjudged the best governed state in the economy? Answer is option number D, Kerala. Kerala was adjudged the best governed state in the country, while Uttar Pradesh ended at the bottom in the largest states category, according to the Public Affairs Index 2020 released by the Public Affairs Center in Bengaluru today. In its annual report released today, the Bengaluru-based not-for-profit organization, headed by former Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) chairman K. Kasturirangan, said that the states were ranked on governance performance based on a composite index in the context of sustainable development. So let's move on with the next question. Where did Malabar exercise to be held? Answer is option number B, Bay of Bengal. The first phase of Malabar exercise is to be held in Bay of Bengal between November 3, 2020 and November 6, 2020. The navies of India, Japan, US and Australia are to participate in the exercise. The second phase of this exercise is to be held between November 17, 2020 and November 20, 2020. So let's move on with the next question. Which country test fired air-launched version of BrahMos supersonic cruise missile? Answer is option number C, India. In a display of its growing combat prowess, the Indian Air Force on Friday successfully test-fired an air-launched version of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile from a Sukhoi fighter aircraft in the Bay of Bengal, official sources said. The missile hit a sinking ship with deadly accuracy and the test firing produced desired results, they said. So let's move on to the next question. Legendary actor Sir Sean Connery died at the age of 90. He is famous character of which picture? Answer is option number B, James Bond. Legendary actor Sir Sean Connery, best known for playing the original on-screen James Bond, has died at the age of 90, prompting an outpouring of tributes for one of Britain's best-loved screen heroes. The star's son Jason Connery told the BBC that his father died peacefully in his sleep overnight while in the Bahamas, having been unwell for some time. So you can see he is Sir Sean Connery and he died recently at the age of 90. So let's move on with the next question. Indian Oil signed Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) for hydrogen generation technology with which institute? Answer is option number A, IISc. The Indian Institute of Science (IISc) and the Research and Development Centre of Indian Oil Corporation Limited have signed an Memorandum of Understanding to develop and demonstrate biomass gasification based hydrogen generation technology for producing fuel cell grade hydrogen at an affordable price. Under this Memorandum of Understanding (MOU), which was signed on October 29, the IISc and the Indian Oil will work jointly on the optimization of both biomass gasification and hydrogen purification process, the IISc said in a statement. So let's move on with the next question. Rijiju is to launch 200-kilometer ITBP Fit India Walkathon in which state? Answer is option number D, Rajasthan. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju will flag off a 200-kilometer Fit India Walkathon being organized by Border Guarding Force (ITBP) in Rajasthan's Jaisalmer next week. ITBP in Rajasthan's Jaisalmer next week. Personnel of various Central Armed Police Force CAPFS and residents of the city will participate in the event between October 31 and November 2. So let's move on with the next question. Rashtriya Ekta Divas, which is celebrated on which birthday anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Answer is option number C, 145th. In Himachal Pradesh, 145th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Divas at the historic Reach Maidan in Simla today. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur garlanded portrait of Sardar Patel at the Ridge today. He also administered the oath of National Unity Pledge to the gathering. An impressive march past was also taken out by the state police on this occasion. So let's move on with the next question. Which ministry body released a drought model act and rules for state on conclusive land to minimize litigation and ease the land acquisition process for infrastructure projects? Answer is option number C, Niti Aayog. Niti, whose full form is National Institution for Transforming India, Niti Aayog released a draft model act and rules for states on conclusive land titling. It was released to minimize litigation and ease the land acquisition process for infrastructure process. So let's move on with the next question. Name the initiative launched by Indian Railways to ensure safety of women passengers on train. Answer is option number D, Meri Saheli. Indian Railways launched the Meri Saheli initiative to ensure safety of women passengers on train across all zones. Under the initiative, women passengers will be provided safety and security during the entire journey, is that from the originating station till destination station. Meri Saheli is an initiative of Railway Protection Force RPF. So let's move on with the next question. Which bank launched instant payouts Visa Direct in association with Visa? Answer is option number C, RBL Bank. The RBL Bank, formerly known as Ratnakar Bank, in a partnership with Visa, has launched the latest processing capability, Visa Direct, that allows safe, convenient, real-time and secure funds delivery directly to financial accounts using credit and debit cards. This partnership underlines RBL's Partners Ka Bank philosophy. This launch will enable RBL Bank to help fintechs in enhancing their offerings with Visa Direct. So let's move on with the next question. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL INC INR 4 Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL INC INR 400 crore pact with which company for Project Parivartan? Answer is option number D, Tech Mahindra. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL signed a contract worth INR 400 crore for a period of 9 years with Tech Mahindra for implementation of Enterprise Resource Planning ERP to support its Project Parivartan. Tech Mahindra will play a role in transformation and modernization of ERP system as an implementation and support partner to enable HAL streamline and standardize its business process across the organization. So let's move on with the next question. Who has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of Assam government? Answer is option number D, Jisnu Barua. Jisnu Barua, 1998 batch IAS Indian Administration Service Officer, took charge as new Chief Secretary of Assam government. He succeeds Kumar Sanjay Krishna. Jisnu Barua, prior to this appointment, was serving as the Additional Chief Secretary for Home and Political Revenue and Disaster Management and Assam Accord Implementation Departments. So let's move on with the next question. So you can say this. He is Jisnu Barua and he is recently appointed as Chief Secretary of Assam government. Which state is the best governed state in the large states company as per the Public Affairs Index 2020? Option A, Kerala. Option B Rajasthan, option C Tamil Nadu, option D Assam. So please answer this question in the comments, and this was the final question of the video. And if you like this video, then please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel Study Delight, and please share this video. Thanks for watching.